If you're part of a local government agency that's responsible for managing pavement assets, you likely already know that these assets are often very expensive and difficult to maintain. Not only that, but maintaining this critical infrastructure impacts everybody in your community and beyond. Hi, I'm Greg Zeller with Trimble, and I'm excited to share with you some technology that can help you better manage your pavement assets. Let me introduce you to Pavement Express. Using the same technology as our industry-leading Pavement Analyst solution used by many of the state DOTs today, Pavement Express is designed to specifically meet the needs of local government agencies just like yours. Pavement Express is an easy-to-use and accessible SaaS offering which reduces IT burdens and allows you to get up and running quickly and efficiently. This proactive pavement management solution considers your entire network, allowing you to create optimized work plans through data-driven optimizations. Dashboard-based, Pavement Express makes it easy to see the information you need to make data-driven decisions. This results in an improved condition of your overall pavement network, reduced costs by using an optimized approach, increased number of centerline miles you're able to treat each year, reduced backlog of needed treatments, and data-driven justification to increase funding to meet your pavement management needs. Ready to learn more? It's simple. Just simply click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos that we'll be sharing to help provide you the information you need to drive your digital transformation forward.